You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words in English. And yes, there's going to be different pronunciations, whether it's American English or British English. So let's talk about the top word first. This is a verb, meaning something that is expected or planned to be paid. It's pronounced in British English as due. That's D-U-E, due. The Americans say it as do, just like the bottom word, do, to do, when you do something. So indeed, in American English, those two words are homophones, pronounced as do. But in British English, like if you're speaking, let's say, standard English, not American English, the top word is going to be due, as in the money is due on Sunday, due, and the bottom word is pronounced do. But in American English, in the United States, they're both pronounced do. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.